The Internet has become an integral part of everyone's life. New programs and applications are released every day. However, this could jeopardize security of the network and devices. When users access the Internet, worms, Trojan horses, and other viruses may be introduced accidentally from the Internet and cause confidential data leaks and huge losses to companies. To protect internal network security, enterprises need to identify and monitor traffic content by controlling traffic sources and destinations. Traditional firewalls only reject suspicious network traffic but allow the other traffic to pass through, so firewalls can do nothing about many types of intrusions and attacks. Most intrusion detection systems are passive and cannot actively prevent attacks. That is, before the attack actually occurs, they are often unable to issue an alert. The Intrusion Prevention System, or IPS, provides active protection. IPS is designed to intercept intrusion and attack activity in advance. An IPS can generate alarms upon malicious traffic transmission or after malicious traffic transmission is complete. An intrusion prevention system is a security mechanism. IPS detects intrusion behavior such as buffer overflow attacks, Trojan horses, and worms by analyzing network traffic and terminates the intrusion behavior in real time through its response methods. This protects enterprise information systems and network architectures against intrusions. Let's take a look at how an AR router uses IPS. As shown in the figure, the router is the enterprise egress gateway. To defend against application layer attacks, we can deploy IPS on the router so that the router can detect traffic between security zones. If no intrusion behavior is detected, the traffic is allowed to pass through. How does the IPS defend against application layer attacks or intrusions and block unauthorized traffic? When intrusion behavior occurs on the network, the AR router detects the service traffic being transmitted. 1. Service traffic detection. First, the router reassembles IP packet fragments and TCP traffic to ensure data continuity at the application layer. 2. Feature matching. The router matches the analyzed packet features with IPS signatures. If the features match known signatures, the router responds accordingly. 3. Response. Now let's see the definition of exception signatures, signature filter, user-defined signatures, and predefined signatures and their relations. Exception signature. To facilitate management, the signature filter filters signatures in batches. If administrators need to configure actions for some signatures different from actions of the signature filter, they can add the signatures to exception signatures and configure actions for the signatures independently. Signature filter. The signature filter is a collection of signatures that meet specified filtering conditions. Filtering conditions include signature category, target, protocol, severity, and operating system. Only signatures that meet all filtering conditions can be added to the signature filter. User-defined signature. User-defined signatures are created by the administrator according to the characteristics of intrusion behavior. The administrator creates such signatures in the following scenarios. When the administrator wants to reject or record a certain behavior that is not included in predefined signatures, when the network is undergoing an attack but the IPS signature database has not been updated, the administrator can create a signature for the attack according to the attack characteristics. After the IPS signature database is updated, the created signature takes effect. Predefined signature. Predefined signatures are a large number of signatures that are predefined by the system. A predefined signature presets the default action of the signature as blocking or alarming. Administrators can prevent or block intrusion behavior based on the predefined signatures. When configuring the IPS function, pay attention to the following points. The IPS function is used with the license and is unavailable on the device by default. To use the IPS function and load the IPS signature database, you need to apply for a license. A license is required to upgrade the IPS signature database. By default, you can only use the existing IPS signature database on the device for intrusion prevention and cannot obtain the latest IPS signature database through an upgrade without a license. In a networking environment in which the inbound and outbound paths of packets are different, IPS probably cannot detect network intrusions effectively. Only the AR160 series, AR1200 series, AR2200 series, and the AR3200 series support the IPS feature. The IPS features supported by the device may need to collect or save user communication information. Huawei will not collect or save user communication information independently. You must use this function in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Ensure that your customer's privacy is protected when you are using or saving communication information.